severity comes in, there is a word in English, stringency. That brings another word in my mind that is called stringent. And when stringent comes to my mind, there is another high level word that is called strident. And when strident comes to my mind, there is a noise that comes to my mind that is associated with the loudness, shrill, grating. Because that person has become rigid. So there is a probability that he will shout, he becomes loud. So that loudness, shrillness in his voice makes him inelegant. You see? So inelegance is also referred to as no grace, without grace, graceless.